Oh, hello friends. Sorry, I'm just took a nap and but before I fall to sleep, I wanna tell you about Webtalk. Actually, every day I have dream. Oh, sorry, not every day. Every night I have dream about Webtalk. Hello, friends. Oh, Olga. So sorry. I'm just about to fall asleep. I wanna tell you about um, Webtalk before I go to sleep. Webtalk is a really wonderful tool that will help you to um, improve English and to join to great community where you uh, can improve your speaking skills, listening skills, because there are a lot of people who is going to help you and to touch with you, and they're willing to talk with you and they wanted to see you. Oh my God, it's called wife's hand. Because, yeah, sorry, friends. Just be in touch. I will help you. If you have some troubles to using Webtalk, don't be shy. I will help you and just to write me and we will make video and conversation. We will make video podcast how to complete your profile, and it is able to fix it just in 2 steps. It's really easy. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I hope I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.